Hello, let me show you how to check Simlock status and last seen date in SONY Z5 by using IMEI. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket, go for CAPTCHA protection, and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your SONY Xperia Z5. Then if you want to check Simlock status and last seen date, you should choose firmware, Simlock country. Click again at check firmware, Simlock and country. And wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go, now you can see whole specification about your Sony. Here you can check the Simlock status, so in this case there is no Simlock status, and here there is last seen date. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.